Hi. Okay. So,
I'm Raghavendra.
Sir, he is the old Java die-hard fan.
Right.
He's young, he's young.
Yeah.
Young.
Right from working days.
Oh, those days even I used to ride a lot.
Yeah.
I'm from Mysore actually. Native.
Me also.
Ah, okay.
I lived for 3 years in Mysore, no?
Ah, okay.
When I was 19 or 20 years old. And I used to ride, before that when I used to go to Mysore, in my holidays, I was 16 and a half, I was telling the story yesterday. I used to go for a holiday to Mysore, I used to ride the road king to Ooty in the morning. You know those hairpin bends that road, the short
32
road?
32 hairpin bends.
30 to 37 I was saying yesterday, but I can't remember.
Shortcut, yeah.
I used to take that road, sit over there at the lake. That lake is there, no? Ooty lake. Have a cup of coffee out there. Then ride all the way to Bangalore. And over here, you know, in Bangalore they used to have those Palestinian and Irani boys.
Yeah,
They used to have road kings and all.
Yeah.
So then go with them, Nandi Hills, this, that, whatever, and then go back in the night to Mysore and almost do it every day. 7 days holiday, 7 days I should do that. So those were the days. Now I'm just a Sunday rider. Sundays also we ride. We have a group of about 12-15 people. We ride for about 200-300 kilometers.
How was the ride? Yesterday's ride?
Except for the weather, everything else was brilliant. Yesterday was very hot, but I enjoyed it. I love riding.
Thank you.
We are about 100 pan India. Nagar FS Club is about 300 members. In Bangalore, we are about 60 odd members. So we keep conducting a lot of rides.
Nice.
Of course, we have the bike. That's the reason. In fact, we did a Republic Day ride with all of its Skanda.
Very good.
Association with them, we did a Republic Day ride.
Very much, and you know, we've had some teething problems, obviously. I think now our new bikes, 2021 bikes have taken care of, we've licked all the problems, as many as we have faced at least. So we are a company that listens to our customers. Obviously, life doesn't go through without any hiccups, but we try and take care of as many as possible. So right now our new bikes, 2021 bikes are taking care of all the glitches, like I said, battery, seat used to get too hard, it used to go thin.
yeah.
All those are taken care of.
Seat was the biggest issue, I guess. So, a lot of people had it.
I said it differently. I said, look, we made the seat short so your girlfriend or wife can stick to you. But you wanted it far, so we made a bigger seat. So that's how it is. Come,
We shall
Yeah.
unveil the bikes.
Whenever you guys are ready, I want to just say this. The 42s are my favorite. I have a Nebula Blue, that one, and I put about 9,500 kilometers. I'm only a Sunday rider, okay? And then I have to travel also often. But for me, the 42 embodies everything that the riding experience should be. And with this particular one, we've added the element of oomph, extra oomph to it. I don't know if all the accessories are, no, the accessories are still not there. But with the accessories that you see out there, the bike looks gorgeous. These accessories can also be put onto your regular 42s. And the key point which I want to tell you that, you know, when you are designing the motorcycles, what we really thought about is how will this motorcycle personalize to your likes, right? So we've made a motorcycle that tempts you to play with it, personalize it to your riding style, to your look and feel, to your individuality. And that is where the key lies. Everything about the Java is something that we built with love. Everything about the Java is where you have to create memories and keep talking about it. So when we grow older, we have, you know, stories to tell our people. So I want to thank you all for being here today. And I also want to say that I look forward to maybe someday having the pleasure of riding with you all. I mean, a good riding partner, if I may say that. And really look forward to creating a lot of memories out there. With that, I'd love to unveil the two. There are 3 colors on this. My personal has always been the black as a favorite, but the white one is also gorgeous. I can tell you, for those of you who would enjoy a nice white color, it's just gorgeous, just gorgeous. So that's it, friends. Come, please.